Today, we're going to go over a book review on a book called The Goal by Eli Goldratt in 1984. He was born on March 31st, 1947, and he died on June 11, 2011. This is a good book for young adults who may influence industry to move towards continuous improvement. If you like this video, please do me a favor and leave a like, comment, and subscribe so we can continue to come up with new content for you. Alex Rogo is a harried plant manager working ever more desperately to try to improve performance. His factory is rapidly heading for disaster. So is his marriage. He has 90 days to save his plant, or it will be closed by corporate headquarters, with hundreds of jobs lost. It takes a chance meeting with a colleague from his student days, Jonah, his physics professor, to help him break out of conventional ways of thinking to see what needs to be done. The story of Alex's fight to save his plant is more than compulsive reading. It contains a serious message for all managers in industry and explains the ideas which underlie the theory of constraints developed by Eli Goldratt. If you like this video, please give it a like. Comment what you want me to make more of. If you want me to make more of a certain book, and then subscribe so you can come back and get more of this content. If you've made it this far, I just want to say thank you for sticking around and supporting my channel.